Hello people. I have my mic on. Long. So we're gonna play World of Tank. Hey, wait for me! Okay, I'm gonna stay with these people. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 of them is over. Okay. Yo, I'm following this dude. Yo, you're my guard, bro. Oh no! Wanna die? Kaka! Oops! Sorry, I'm so sorry. I did so much time. Oh my god, they're all here! They're all here. Retreat, retreat. I'm not fighting. Pick this. Now I'm gonna turn. Yeah. Teams, where are you? You're supposed to ambush them. You're not supposed to like stay there and do not. Oh, they're capturing the flag. Look at that. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you did some damage on them. Boom! Sucker poop! No! No! I need to shoot this. This guy coming. Get ready. Oh, you wanna fight? Oh, one more hit, one more hit, one more hit, one more hit. I'm not attacking. Get him! You're gonna charge at us. I hate those things. They freaking hurt. No! Okay, I'll see you another round, guys. Okay? Okay? Okay. Okay, we're back with the second round. Okay, I lost. Okay? We lost. Okay? So you better not complain. You better not complain that I lost, okay? Okay, let's smash this. What does it say? You already shot at me? You freaking idiot. Ah, I'm gonna kill you, Oh, I am so sorry that I hurt you. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna ready. Oh my gosh, look what you get yourself into. Oh, you freaking idiot. You took my skill. Hi. Kaka! Oh, he's dead. Okay, next. Should we capture the base? Yo. No. Oh crap. It's another guy. Oh my gosh, he is already dead. Let's go skills. Okay. There's 4 people left. Okay. Come on, move. Oh, it's out of sight. Okay, slow! I want to wreck my tracks. Okay. Oh, there's another guy right there. I think they gotten it. He's really hurt badly. You gonna show your face? Oh no, I hate those things. You have to aim right here. We didn't scratch him. We hurt him bad. I can't shoot this part. Oh my gosh, team. Shut up, you freaking voice maker. They dared to kill my teammate. Yeah? You wanna pop your head out? Sure! Oh my gosh, I did not that much damage. I'm gonna kill this guy. Backup! Okay, last guy. No, you better not aim for me. Oh, I muted him! Oh! Oh! Thanks for watching, guys.